Abeja building by Martin Dulanto in Punta Hermosa, Peru. The project is built on a 528.63 square meters plot located in Lot 08 of Block P, located in the district of Punta Hermosa, province and department of Lima, Peru. This lot is located between La Carabela Street. The Fiocco family house was demolished to build a new 3-level multifamily building in its place, with 8 apartments. The apartments are of the flat and duplex type. There are 5 3-bedroom units and 3 2-bedroom units. Each one has comfortable social areas that overlook the sea. Conceptually, the project is a large white block in the form of an exoskeleton with a perimeter colonnade that, thanks to its serialization, allows for large openings that allow for landscape views. The aim is for the building to have a sober presence in the environment. On the other hand, vehicular access from La Carabela Street leads down to a semi-basement dedicated entirely to parking and storage for the apartments. The project consists of 5 flat-type apartments and 3 duplex-type apartments. On the first level, there are 2 flat-type apartments, 101 and 102. On the second level, there are 3 flat-type apartments, 201, 202, and 203. Finally, on the third level, there are 3 duplex-type apartments, 301, 302, and 303. These last 3 apartments have access to terraces with pools on each area's top floor. The apartments are accessed through a hallway from the stair tower and elevator. The building has a semi-basement and 3 levels in height. With this, the project adapts to the heights of the surrounding buildings. Also, the project has a height of 10 meters up to the finished floor level of the terraces. Starting from street level, at 99.40 m, up to 109.50 m. On these 10 meters, a 50 centimeters planter around the terraces is completed with a 40 centimeters glass railing. In this way, the building reaches a maximum level of 110.40 m. With this, the building meets the requirement of reaching a maximum level of 2.50 m. Below the Annalee viewpoint level, which is at 112.90 m. In addition, the neighboring building reaches a level of 110.20 m. up to the finished floor level of its third level. But this building sets back and reaches a 4th level, reaching a level of 112.80. A level much higher than that achieved by our project. Both the side and front facades form a sort of portico that contains large openings that allow the interior spaces to enjoy the landscape. Between these porticos, and in front of the carpentry, some planters allow the vegetation inside to break the regularity of the module of the complex.